Hi, I'm Pascoe. My virtual presentation for this year's convention is Teaching Self-Hypnosis in Groups, and it's subtitled Make Money and Inform While Publicizing Your Practice. So my presentation is designed to give you the confidence and the information that you need to start presenting to groups. So I'll be covering the benefits of presenting to groups for both you and your public. And I'll be giving you a step-by-step breakdown of how to structure your content for a 6-hour course, which you can spread over 2 or 3 sessions. I'll also give you some specific tips to get your audience involved, because you need to increase suggestibility with that wow factor. So who is this for? It's best for those who already have some knowledge and skills, but just want a bit of ideas and a bit of motivation to get you started. So I look forward to seeing you at the Guild online.